India, with its extensive railway network, plays a vital role in the country's transportation system. However, recent train accidents have raised concerns about the safety and reliability of the railway infrastructure. So here is our innovative solution for this modern issue. The main components we used are IR sensor. An infrared IR sensor emits infrared rays to identify objects in its proximity. Buzzer. It serves as an audible indicator, producing sound when activated. Here it indicates obstacle presence detected by the IR sensor. LED. An LED or light emitting diode is a component that emits light. Here it indicates obstacle detection by the IR sensor. Controller. A controller processes input signals, making decisions based on programmed instructions to regulate the output. Here we have used the Arduino Uno as the controller. Mechanical chassis. A mechanical chassis serves as the structural framework for vehicles and machinery, providing support and housing essential components. The IR sensor senses the presence of obstacle in front of the train. The Arduino Uno gives instructions to the other components. The motors cause the wheels to stop rotating and the train halts. The buzzer activates and produces a sound alert. Simultaneously, the LED turns on and indicates visually. When the obstacle is removed, IR sensor gives low data and buzzer and LED turns off.